What's up everyone, this is Jared Tech, and today we have an unboxing from Neon. This is the Nitro 8, otherwise known as the electric board, electric one wheel, or electric scooter type of device. We're going to take a look and see what we get inside of the box and also do a first ride. So stick around and let's get started. Alright, let's check what we get inside the box. So we have it right here. Now this retails for $266 on Amazon currently at the moment. There's going to be a link down below in the description box if you guys want to learn more about this or check out more specs. So the first thing we're greeted with right here is the manual. And this is something you want to take a look at just because it's unlike anything else. It is motorized and you could get hurt on it. So just pay attention to all that about how to get on it. Unfortunately, that was one thing I didn't do when I did the first ride. Here to the right we have a charger. Nothing too exciting right there, just a normal wall outlet. And then we have some foam covers, and we have the unit right here itself. I would also like to point out this is more of a toy than it actually is rideable tech that you can maybe take to work for transportation or to school. It only lasts about 60 minutes on the battery. It goes up to 8 miles an hour, and it's only rated for about 70 kilograms or about 154 pounds. So you're going to have to take that into consideration. But nevertheless, it still looks like a very fun rideable tech. So after taking off these foam paddings, there's nothing else in the box besides the unit itself. And I can't wait to take this out and try it out for the very first time. So here's my first attempt of trying to ride the one wheel or the electric board. And of course I didn't read any instructions. I thought that would be a little bit more interesting. But it actually turns out and made it a little bit more complicated. Who would have thought? I actually got it going right away in the beginning, but it's hard to keep your balance. The board is pretty small, and like I said, this is meant for people that are up to 70 kilograms or 154 pounds. So it's going to be most likely a kid or a teenager, and I believe that's why the board's pretty small, because it's meant for someone a lot shorter than me. But overall, it wasn't too hard to get the hang of it to get started. I also think that it had a flat tire, so that's one thing that's weighing against me while trying to ride this for the first time. Overall, it was really fun to test out for the very first time, and I'm really excited to do a full review on this, so stay tuned and make sure you subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one, and this is Jared Tech, signing off. Peace.